जनाब नवीन कुमार पांडे तशरीफ फरमा है, मैं उनको वेलकम कहता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ। दूसरी बात यह है कि अब मैं मोहम्मद हसन को आवाज़ दे रहा हूँ। मोहम्मद हसन एक ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसका एडमिशन जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया दिल्ली और अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी अलीगढ़ में 9th में इसका एडमिशन हुआ है। ये हमारे लिए खुशी की बात है, फ़ख्र की बात है। और मोहम्मद हसन नवीन कुमार पांडे के स्टूडेंट हैं, उनसे मैं गुजारिश कर रहा हूँ कि वो तशरीफ़ लाएं।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Hassan and today I feel immensely honored to stand up here at the dais on the behalf of MEF student and got a chance to speak so much before you. As we all know that time is most precious and valuable thing in this world and it is most important to all of us for survive our life. Hence, we should utilize it in most effective ways because it's said that time and tide wait for none and the time has lost forever, it can never be regained. So, we should be aware and careful where and in what kind of activities we are investing our precious and priceless time, and we should not invest our precious and priceless time without meaning and purpose at any stage of life. We all know that time is priceless. No one can buy it. It's only thing that can make anyone hero and anyone zero. Let me point out how to wisely, effectively and completely utilize our time, including setting goals, preparing work lists and tasking sufficient sleep and various other factors. For the best use of time, we should set long-term and short-term goals. The long-term and short-term goals will help us in being productive and time savers. Every day in the morning, we should make our work list and ensure that this work will be completed at any cost till 9. Like this, our day-to-day task is very important to manage our time, and in this way, our life routine will be changed. Being productive does not mean that we have to involve ourselves in multiple tasks every time. Taking the proper amount of sleep and exercising is also a part of being healthy as well as productive. Dear audience, at the last, I would say again that the time we waste can never come back. We should utilize our time for ourselves and our loved ones. We should use the time for the goods of other people around us. This will help us and society to grow faster superior tomorrow. Moreover, we should teach the kids the importance the value of time will result in regretting afterward for misusing or wasting time. Think before you dare. Here I would like to conclude my speech with praise to Allah and gratitude to the audience for their all ear hearing. Thank you so much.